Here's today's South Texas Daily Weather Briefing for Thursday, September 12, 2013. Weather headlines: isolated showers and thunderstorms today and Friday. Rain chances increase this weekend as a tropical system moves toward the western Gulf Coast. And rainfall chances through next week depend on the location and strength of the tropical disturbance. Water vapor imagery this morning shows the tropical low just off the Yucatan coast, with another low near the northwest Gulf of Mexico. The upper low will keep a slight chance of rain in the forecast for South Texas through Friday. However, the larger concern is where this tropical low will move during the next several days. The morning infrared satellite imagery shows this tropical low has blossomed over the last several hours as it has entered the warm waters of the Bay of Campeche. Whether this low develops into an organized tropical system and where it goes will dictate how much rainfall we get this weekend into at least the early part of next week. Here's the latest on the tropical low, which the National Hurricane Center is monitoring. As of 6 o'clock this morning, the National Hurricane Center is giving this a 60% chance of developing into a tropical cyclone through Saturday morning, and an 80% chance of developing into a tropical cyclone by Tuesday morning. At the very least, this system will bring an increasing chance for rip currents and very high seas, with scattered showers and thunderstorms through midweek. In the shorter term, expect isolated showers and thunderstorms today and Friday as the upper low impacts South Texas. There is expected to be even less thunderstorm activity on Friday over the northern areas as the upper low moves out and drier air moves in. Highs each day will range from the upper 80s coast and lower to mid-90s inland. Lows tonight and Friday night will be in the 70s away from the coast. Mariners today and tonight can expect northeast to east wind 10 to 15 knots and 4 to 5 foot seas, with winds and seas higher in and near isolated showers and thunderstorms. The forecast for the weekend into early next week all depends on the development, strength, and movement of the tropical system in the Bay of Campeche. Here's the latest model guidance on the tropical low, or Invest 93, as of 7 a.m. this morning. As you can see from the graphic, most of the models move this system to the west and have it make landfall somewhere in central or southern Mexico by early next week. Most of the model intensity outlooks have it develop into a tropical storm. However, it should be noted that intensity forecasts can often be underestimated, and there is still uncertainty on how far north this system, if and when it develops, will eventually go. At this time, if model consensus is close, we are expecting rain chances to increase as the weekend progresses, with at least scattered showers and thunderstorms over South Texas. With the rainfall in the clouds, expect high temperatures early next week to be near or slightly below normal, depending on how widespread the rain and clouds are. Here are the projected 7-day average rainfall amounts through the middle of next week. The forecast calls for 2 to 4 inches across the coastal bend, southern brush country, and Rio Grande plains, to 1 to 2 inches over the northern brush country and Victoria area. Locally, higher amounts will be possible, and even higher rainfall totals will occur if the tropical system moves farther north than expected. At this time, the best thing to do is to continue to monitor the latest forecast from your National Weather Service and the National Hurricane Center concerning this impending weather event. You can get the hurricane guide using the link shown here. Although hurricane conditions are not expected at this time, it's always a good idea to check out your hurricane preparedness measures as we are in the peak of the hurricane season. This ends the daily weather briefing. Recorded local forecasts can be found at the number listed above. Thank you for watching.